Hello guys, today we will see how to create account using server side controller. File, new, Apex class, C underscore 12 underscore server underscore 1 underscore create underscore 1 otherwise. Okay, this is the class name. It must be Aura enabled. Public static return type should be like string. Name of the method is create account. So it should expect string of name, comma, string of phone, comma, string of rating, comma, string of industry. I will define a try block. Account A equal to new account A dot name is equal to name, which is coming from the lightning component. A dot phone is equal to phone. A dot rating is equal to this rating, which is coming from the component. User entered these values. A dot industry is equal to this industry, which is entered by the user. Next, insert account A. I will declare a variable which is string result, otherwise result. Yeah, result equal to account is created with account ID. A dot ID. Catch exception E. Result equal to account creation is failed. Account creation is failed with the following error plus E dot get error message, that is message return result. Control S. Yeah, it is saved. Let me check whether this code is working fine or not. From here itself, open anonymous window. Let's copy this class name, and this method is of static, so directly I can call with the class name dot method name, and this method is expecting parameters like name Ashok from anonymous window, comma phone 1111 comma this is rating is some hot, industry is banking, execute line 1 column 35. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't give comma here. Execute. Fine. So now if I go to accounts, yes, Ashok from anonymous window. Yeah. So our server side control is working fine. You can close this one. Now let me go to the component. File, new, lightning component. Lightning component, sorry, underscore 12 underscore server underscore same create underscore 1 submit. Close the description. To call the server side controller, you must write controller equal to name of the class. Copy, paste, save. Yeah. So now user must enter these 4 values. So I must define 4 attributes. Okay. Or I can write num, name, num of type string. I will copy this, paste for 4 times. Name, next one, PHO phone, RAT rating, IND industry. Okay. Now, so these 4 attributes are ready to hold the values which are entered by the end user. To enter the end user, to enter a value or name or phone or rating or industry, user must have a some place. So for that I am defining lightning input tag, lightning input label equal to enter name value v dot, this should be here. What's the meaning? The moment the end user enters a value here, that is name here, that name will go and hold in this attribute. Okay, that's why I have written this name here. Okay, enter name, enter phone, enter industry, enter rating. So rating means R80 because this value is rate R80. Industry IND, phone PHO. Oh, PHO, right. So for phone, PHO, industry, ind, rating, R8, fine, that's fine. Now user needs some button, to create the account. So I will define button here, lightning, BUTT1, lightning button, label equal to create account, on click C dot variant brand to get blue color button. Okay. Now once the user created the account, he needs to receive some message, right? For that, I am creating one attribute. Ara attribute result name, sorry, name is equal to result result message. Result message. This image is also small. Result message of type string type. Okay. Now once user created the account, we must display some account, some message, right? Break tag. Now let's consider how to show the message. V dot this one result message. That's it. If you want, you can declare a div tag also, no problem. To get to show in a nice manner. That means you can go for styles also. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going for controller. This side controller. Here create is the button. On click create function will call, right? So first step 1, get the values from the component. Get the values of attributes from the component. How to get the values from the component? We know already. Where n is equal to, that means for to hold the name, component dot get of v dot nam. Name of the attribute is nam. I will copy this one I will copy and paste this for 4 times. Phone P, industry I, rating R. For rating RAT, for industry IND, for phone PHO. These are the values we have given for the attributes. Name NAM, PHO, RAT, IND. Okay. Now once you get the values from the component, step 2, get the server side controller method. How to get server side method? Where action, define an action at name variable. The variable name is action, where action is equal to component dot get of the server side controller method name is create account. That's it. Next, step 3. Assign the values to the server side controller method. Server side controller method, that is Apex class method. Okay. Action dot set params in JSON format. What is the what are the values it is expecting? Name, control V. Now the name is in N, comma, phone. Phone is in P. Next one, rating. Rating is in R. Next, industry. Industry in I. Control S. So that means we are assigned the values to the server side controller. What values which are entered by the end user? Next, step 4. Set the callback for data. Action dot set callback. This comma function. We must send some value here, that is response, where state equal to response dot get state. Here if you write Ashok dot get, you can write anything here, no problem. But usually we in the real time we used to maintain response. If state equal to success, let us declare a variable where result res equal to response dot get return value. What it returns, whatever the method, this method returns that well. What is this method is result returning? This method is returning result. Result is having account is created with account ID, else account creation is failed with the following error. Okay. Now, which is hold in RES. I am assigning RES value to this result message. Control C. Component dot set of v dot control V dot result message comma res. This is step number 4. Step 5. Enqueue the action. Dollar a dot enqueue action SCTA in action. This is the action that we need to pass here. Control S. File, new, lightning application, copy, LA. Okay. C colon extends force colon SLDS. All are saved. Let's directly go to the preview. Name Ashok. Account created on 12th August. Phone 2222. Rate industry. Banking. Rating hot. Create account. Oh, you might just need to refresh it. Action. Invalid key. Create account. It's showing some bad result. Yeah, I think we forgot to write C dot. Control S. Go to the app. Update. Ashok account on 12th August. Banking hot. Create account. Yeah, create account created. Account is created with account ID. Fine. Let me go for yes, guys. Ashok account on 12th August. This is what we have created. Thank you, guys.